Hi!
Hi!
Hi. Don't know what to say.
I don't know what to say, Charlie. Well, you just talking for substance this whole time and everyone thinks we're crazy, but it's okay.
She's like what?
And she's the one going along with it.
Me.
Exactly. Precisely.
What if we really were British?
Then we want to be in America, duh!
10 people love America.
Some people. That was really weird.
Look at me think.
People are gonna think we're total stoners.
I am not Australian.
We just smoke the crack sometimes. Is that such so hard to believe? Some just crack, I think.